Liris Chica, Donnie Banglina, nagsalita na ko sa issue na kumakalat online tungkol kay Shubi dahil nababash na talaga si Shubi. Nagsalita na siya dahil nasali na rin ang mahal niya sa buhay na si Bel Mariano sa issue. Ito nga ang mga ipinahiwatig ng Matinee Idol sa kanyang ex account. Ginamit niya ito upang matapos na ang pambabash. Hey guys, I'm out of the country right now on a short break, but I've been saying a lot online. I don't usually speak up, but I think it's about time we start spreading hate and constantly comparing people. There are far more important things happening in our country. Sabi pa ni Matinee Idol, I feel like we've gotten too comfortable throwing hate online without thinking about how that affects actual human beings who have done nothing wrong. This is for all fandoms. Artists have lives too. It's gone below the belt. Why did we reach this point? Dagdag pa ng aktor, as for Belle, please keep her out of your narrative. She is beautiful, talented, and most importantly, has a great heart. Nothing you say or do will change that. Ito pang sabi niya, I told Shubi the videos were going around out of shock as I went to dinner at first thinking it was just going to be intimate and private. People forget we are all friends in this industry. Why do we keep pitting people against each other? Ayon pa sa aktor, and to those who think I just enjoy the clout and people getting bashed, you clearly don't know me. Feel free to leave. There is no space for that here. I am and never was about that.